Good morning, friends. Sheila with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders here for Coffee and Construction, episode 19. We have a lot of work going on here at the job site today. I'm excited to show you what's going on. Here we have our gentleman from Smart Choice Construction finishing up the siding. Now that the door and window are in on the front side and the insulation is done on the inside, they're infilling the soffits and putting on the siding on the front of the house. So this is gonna look almost finished, short of some paint on the outside. It's so exciting. On the inside, I'm just gonna give you a quick peek because I'll add to our video with some of the insulation video that did happen here at the job site today, but you'll catch a slight glimpse of the insulation going on that happened earlier this morning. More of our guys doing a great job. Hi. Quick picture. Insulation, spray foam for the whole space. Oh, it's going to be so nice and tempered in here when the homeowners are able to use this space for their guests or for friends or as an office. Oh, just good stuff. Thank you for joining us again on this journey. Sheila, Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.